Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about the conversion of energy. Okay, let's go. The lesson 4 and 5, transformation or conversion of energy. First of all, what is the meaning of transformation or conversion of energy? The previous lecture or previous lesson, you know this the how many types of energy are there. Look at this picture. You see the types of energy. Look, there is a mechanical energy, there is a thermal energy, there is a electromagnetic energy, there is a electrical energy, there is a chemical energy, there is a nuclear energy. So from mechanical energy you will get some example. The moving car is the mechanical energy. The leaping frog, that means the frog is jumping or leaping. And from thermal energy you will get some example: melting ice cream or heating soup. Electromagnetic example is that visible light and the infrared radiation. And the radio wave also the example of electromagnetic energy. The electrical energy, that means you will get the light, you'll get the power line from the electrical energy. The chemical energy, the things you are taking, food, that means the food is the chemical energy. The striking a match, here is the chemical energy. The nuclear energy is that the nuclear fission inside the earth core, inside the earth the nuclear reaction is going, and so there is a nuclear energy. And the sun, you know, the inside the sun there is a hydrogen and the helium, and the reaction is going on all time, and there is a nuclear reaction is here. Now the energy conversion is the transformation of one form of energy into another form. The definition of the conversion of energy: the energy conversion is the transformation of one form of energy into another form. That means one form means you can convert it, the electrical energy to the chemical energy to the electrical energy, or you can kinetic energy to the potential energy to the kinetic energy. So there is a conversion here. So this is the definition of the energy conversion. So let's say there is some example: the energy transformation, chemical energy converted to the electrical energy. There is a cell or there is a battery, the chemical energy is converted to the electrical energy. It can convert it to the kinetic energy. Here is the electrical energy converted to the kinetic energy. The chemical energy is converted to the electricity, the chemical energy converted to the mechanical energy. The chemical food, the chemical energy is converted to the kinetic energy. There is some, he's running or jogging, the energy or work. Electrical energy is converted to the light energy and also the sound energy. Some example of conversion of energy. There the man is lifting the weight, and when you lift the weight, the kinetic energy has converted to static energy. You know what is the kinetic energy and static energy. The kinetic energy is the movement of any kind of things, and the static energy is the stored energy. And when you lift the heavy things, the bar or the weight, it stores some energy, and to lift is the kinetic energy, and when it is here there is a store some energy, that is the static energy or potential energy. And when you fall down, when you thrown down, the static energy converted to kinetic energy. Look at this. Okay, let's go for another conversion, the conversion of energy. Here is the windmill. Look at the windmill. The windmill look like this. There is the previous or the ancient people are using these things, which transform the kinetic energy they use the wind into the mechanical energy to pump water or grind the grain. This, with the help of wind, it is rolling and it is rounding, and it converted some energy to the kinetic energy, and with the help of kinetic energy, the is converted to the mechanical energy, and mechanical energy helps to pumping water or grind grain, something else. Here is the mechanical energy turns into the sound energy or fluid. If someone play the flute, and the mechanical energy turns into the sound energy. And here is the conversion of the thermal energy. When it feels, it feels hot when you touch the chimney or lantern hurricane, actually light energy converted to the thermal energy. When you touch the hurricane, you will feel some thermal energy. Here's some example of a conversion of energy, like look, chemical from the apple, and this apple gives you the energy, and you use the mechanical energy, and when you ride the bicycle, the mechanical energy is converted to kinetic energy, or because we have some energy. Look, there is a chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted to the light energy. Electrical energy is converted to light energy. Chemical energy is converted to mechanical energy here. The light energy is converted to chemical energy when it gets the photosynthesis. You know what is the photosynthesis. The electrical energy is converted to the heat, is the toaster. So there is a lot of energy is there. So okay, now the conversion of magnetic energy. You know the magnet, where found the magnet. The magnet is look like this, the North Pole and the South Pole. And when the magnet comes here, and there is a coil, and it converts to the electrical energy. So we can get the magnetic energy from the electrical energy from the magnetic energy. Okay, magnetic energy turns into the electrical energy. Okay, here the conversion of the electrical energy is look, this is the electric generator, and it is the electrical energy is converted to, we can use the electrical energy to inverter, the generator, motor, is a lot of things is there. Is the light energy, so electrical energy converted to light energy. Here is the conversion of the chemical energy. The chemical energy is the battery, is the inside, there is the reaction, so the chemical reaction is here, and it converted to the electrical energy, and it is the light energy. So conversion of the atomic energy, there is a nuclear plant. Outside of the nuclear plant it looks like this, and inside the nuclear plant there is some reaction is here, the nuclear reaction. From the nuclear reaction, the nuclear power is produced here, the nuclear energy is produced here, and so with the help of nuclear energy it's converted to the electrical energy. Look, there is a big pole, and there is a electrical supply here, so with the help of nuclear energy it converted to the electrical energy, and we use this electrical energy. So conversion of the solar energy. Look, the sun, it supply the heat energy, thermal energy, light energy, and the photosynthesis process is going on here. The plants take the heat, and it produces the chemical energy, and the grass frog is eat these things, and the frog eat these things, and this bird eat this frog. So there is a web chain, is the ecosystem is there. The solar radiations from the sun is the sun gives the light to the solar panel, and the solar panel converts it to the chemical energy. So questions on the mind is the what kind of energy conversion of the below picture. So write down the answer and send it to my WhatsApp. So this is the ends. That's all for the conversion of energy. Thank you.